Grand awakening, Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs. Check out the music, check out the ebooks. Great products are there. Your word of the day is transformation, confirmation. You're a new, entirely new being, going into new sceneries, going into new doors, new financial abundances, new jobs. You are changing your whole frequency. Continue, work on yourself, because you do not have to remain the same. You can always find the weaknesses in yourself and then make yourself an all-powerful being. How? By transforming your energy, physically, mentally, emotionally. And that's how you upgrade yourself for the long haul. I'm constantly evolving. I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining them to strengths, making you an all-powerful being. Life ensures I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. Therefore, you can manifest bigger, better blessings, and you're strong enough to maintain them and keep them, because that is the key. I'm aware of the progress that I have, and I open my wings to light and all the possibilities that life has for me. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.